engineering in general is all about competition. If you really want to be competitive in the next 5 years to 10 years, now is the time to adopt the technology. There are often times when customers need to understand in depth the technological aspect of the solutions that we offer to be able to get them to really see where this can be implemented in their organization. From the service standpoint, it's situations where we think about the challenges customers might face in the field on a daily basis, ensuring that we can keep their machines uptime and guarantee the performance that we've promised in our service level agreement. Since the acquisition of SLM Solutions by Nikon, we have had the confidence that comes with being part of a bigger organization, which means that we can, whilst being very prudent, be a bit more ambitious in our goals, be a bit more ambitious in our strategy, and be a bit more ambitious in the product that we're trying to develop. And beyond the financial backing that we get, we also get a huge support where we can leverage technology where Nikon have been experts. These are all aspects of our engagement with Nikon that give us a lot more confidence in the direction of the future of our product development. The other thing that kind of gets me really excited about this is the opportunity to grow our organization on a global scale. And this should encourage our customers to seek us out, engage us, because we're always happy for the collaboration.